In this comprehensive tutorial, we dive deep into the world of flawless complexions with the full coverage foundation routine. This transformative journey is your gateway to mastering the art of achieving a flawless and impeccable base. Whether you're gearing up for a special event, looking to elevate your daily makeup routine, or simply yearning for the confidence that comes with a perfected complexion, this video guide is your ultimate resource for mastering the techniques and steps required for a full coverage foundation application that's both impressive and impactful. The canvas of a striking makeup look is built upon the foundation of a smooth, radiant complexion. The full coverage foundation routine tutorial serves as your guiding beacon in navigating this intricate path to complexion perfection. Through this journey, we'll delve beyond the surface application, guiding you through a comprehensive process that transforms your skin into a work of art. At the heart of this tutorial lies the art of foundation selection, a pivotal step in creating a flawless and harmonious base. We'll demystify the process of finding your ideal foundation match, one that seamlessly aligns with your skin's undertones and complexion, ensuring a natural and balanced appearance. We'll traverse through a variety of foundation formulations, from luxurious liquids to creamy marvels, all while discussing their suitability for various skin types and textures. Technique serves as the cornerstone of any successful full coverage foundation routine, and we're here to illuminate these techniques for you. From the preparatory steps that prime your skin to the intricate process of achieving uniform distribution, we'll explore the wide spectrum of blending tools. Whether you favor brushes, sponges, or even the warmth of your own fingertips, we'll unravel the distinct results they yield. Techniques such as stippling, buffing, and gentle patting will be at your disposal, enabling you to customize your coverage while maintaining a natural finish. But this tutorial is not confined to mere application. It extends to addressing specific skin concerns and attaining coverage mastery in problem areas. Learn how to skillfully layer and build coverage to address imperfections, redness, and discolorations, all while ensuring a seamless and radiant complexion. We'll even explore the art of concealing under eye circles, ensuring your base exudes a luminous confidence. Ultimately, the full coverage foundation routine tutorial empowers you with not only the technical finesse of makeup application but also a deeper understanding of your skin's unique requirements. It's a transformative journey that goes beyond cosmetics. It's about embracing your natural beauty, honing techniques, and unlocking a newfound sense of self-assured elegance. With a palette of foundation options and the knowledge to wield them masterfully, let's embark on this expedition. By the tutorial's culmination, you'll have not only mastered the art of full coverage foundation application but also cultivated an unwavering appreciation for the allure that emerges from a perfected canvas. With heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this voyage of complexion mastery, let's seamlessly transition into the art of crafting the full coverage foundation routine, a realm where precision harmonizes with artistry, birthing a base that's as awe-inspiring as it is empowering.